Welcome to Archa's Kids. Hello everyone, how are you today? In last lesson, we started to see the different digraphs. If you haven't already seen my video explaining what are digraphs, please see the previous video in the playlist. Today we will see the digraph made by C and H, which sounds ch. We will read digraph in red color, so we will read red letter first and then orange letter next and blue in the last. So let's start reading. Ch, e, s, chairs. Ch, ips, chips. Ch, a, t, chat. Ch, in, chin. Ch, op, chop. Let us read some more words very quickly. Chant, chest, check, chili. Now we will see the words that end with digraph ch. We will read blue letter first, orange letter next, and red at end. Let us read some words that end with sh. Bench, bench. Cat, catch. Patch, patch. Peach, pitch. March, march. Now let's see some more words very quickly. Match, speech, rich, couch. Very good. Good job. Now you can read words with digraph ch. We will meet in another lesson with another digraph. Practice reading some more words with this digraph, and if you haven't already learned previous lessons, do visit the playlist in the channel. If you find this channel helpful to teach your child phonics, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now and happy reading.